In this episode of Estate Planning Essentials, we'll explore how to use design templates with WealthDox or Business Docx to improve efficiency and consistency in the drafting of documents. Hey everyone, welcome to Estate Planning Essentials. I'm Kristen, Product Specialist at WealthCounsel. On this channel, we supply tips and information on document drafting and estate planning. So if you're a newcomer, please consider subscribing to the channel. And hey, at any point during the video, check out our show notes and links in the description below. Today, we'll be covering scenarios, where we'll get into what a scenario is and a discussion of the scenario interface, as well as a demonstration on how to create a new document using a scenario. So let's get started. The concept of scenarios allows drafters to use design templates within WealthDox or Business Docx to improve efficiency and consistency in the drafting of documents. A scenario consists of answers or selections in a document interview that provide a desired design outcome. For example, a practice may have a scenario for a revocable living trust for a married couple with children where the marital deduction option is to use the Clayton election. The residuary will go to the children in separate trusts with trust provisions stated once. When starting a new trust for the client that fits that scenario, the drafter can easily apply this scenario, which will ensure the major design elements of the trust are already selected. To access scenarios online, click the Drafting tab on the toolbar. Select Customization, and then select Scenarios from the menu. The Scenarios library is organized by product and favorited scenarios. The library provides users with detail about the existing scenarios. A check mark appears in the Provided column to indicate a WealthCounsel provided scenario and will be left unchecked to indicate a scenario that was created by the practice. Use the filter to search for a specific scenario or click on a column heading to sort the column alphabetically or by date. If you want to hide all of the WealthCounsel prepared scenarios, click Hide Scenarios to show only those created by your practice. Create a new document using a scenario, click on the plus sign to the right of the scenario to begin creating a specific client document based on the chosen scenario. The pencil feature will allow a user to modify a scenario name and description in addition to the selections made in the scenario. The Pages feature provides the ability to make a copy of an existing scenario so that the name, description, and any options may be adjusted to create a new scenario. The Trash Can feature allows users to delete practice scenarios. Note that WealthCounsel provided scenarios may not be deleted or edited. If a user wants to modify one of these scenarios, first make a copy of the scenario and then modify that copy. Use the Star feature to favorite any scenarios that are used frequently. To create a new scenario, click Create Scenario on the top right side of the screen. Fill in the required information for the scenario, enter a description of the scenario if you wish, and choose how the scenario will be created. 3 answer set options are presented for the user to choose from. Create a brand new scenario, copy the answers from an existing answer set, or import the file from a desktop answer file or scenario. When copying from an existing answer set or importing from a desktop answer file, all of the client-specific information will be stripped from the file, leaving only the design elements of the document interview in place. Then, just click Create to create a scenario file which will be added to the library for your practice. Note, custom clauses or modifications to existing WealthCounsel language must be done at the document level. Customization is not available at the scenario level. So for those users who want to change specific language in a scenario, create a scenario and use it to create a client document. Within the client document interview, you may toggle to the working document view to remove, replace, or add new language. The custom changes can be made once or in all future or non-finalized documents of the same type. Thanks for checking out this video, and please make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like it. If you'd like more information about scenarios, you can always access that right here. Or check out the show notes and links in the description below. See you next time!